Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today you are going to learn social science civics class 6 chapter 2 diversity and discrimination part 5. On being discriminated against. Do you know India had caste based society? People doing activities like cleaning, washing, picking garbage, and picking dead bodies of animals, cutting hairs, etc., were considered as lower caste people and seen as dirty and impure. Dirty means ganda and impure means ashuddh. While people of other profession like ruler Kshatriya, trading means Vashya, and education Brahman were considered as upper caste people. In 2 points, there are two types of people, lower castes and upper castes. Now, lives of lower caste people were very painful, miserable, with no respect at all. No respect at all. They were considered untouchables by the upper class people. They were not allowed to change their profession, job, nor did their children. They were not allowed to enter homes of upper caste people or take water from village well or even enter temples. Their children could not sit next to children of upper castes. Here differences of upper caste people and lower caste people. Lower caste people call themselves Dalit. It means those who are broken. All the caste based discrimination not only prevented the Dalits from undertaking certain economic activities, but also it denies them the respect and dignity given to other. Respect and dignity given to others. They own no land. They lived in spaces outside the main village and were not allowed to enter into the village without permission. Without permission of upper caste people. They had no rights and they were prone to any atrocity or harm. In these points, we have learned there are two types of people, lower caste people and upper caste people. Nobody give importance to lower caste people. And upper caste people were professions like rulers, traders, education were considered as upper caste people. Lower caste people call themselves Dalit. Dalit means those who are broken. Respect and dignity given to others means lower caste people must respect and dignity given to others. Others means upper caste people. Lower caste people have owned no land. They live in the spaces outside the main village and not allow in village without permission. They had no right. So here are some points we are learning on being discriminated against. Okay, students? Clear now? Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is considered the father of the Indian Constitution and also the best known leader of the Dalits. Dr. Ambedkar fought for the rights of the Dalit community. He was born into the Mahar caste, which was considered untouchables. The Mahars were poor, owned no land, and children born to them also had to do the work their parents did. They lived in space outside the main village and were not allowed into the village. Dr. Ambedkar was the first person from his caste who completed his college education and went to England to become a lawyer. He encouraged Dalits to send their children to school and college. He also urged Dalits to take no different kind of government jobs in order to move out of the caste system. He led many efforts of Dalits to gain entry into the temples. Later in life, he converted to Buddhism in his search for a religion that treated all members equally. Dr. Ambedkar believed that Dalit must fight the caste system and work towards a society based on respect, not just for a few, but for all persons. This is a story of Dr. Bhimrao Sir Ambedkar, who are in Dalit caste system. Communities, groups of people were placed in a sort of ladder where each caste was either above or below the other. Those who placed themselves at the top of this ladder called themselves upper caste and saw themselves as superior. The groups who were placed at the bottom of the ladder were shown as unworthy. Sad duties for untouchable and nobody formed any alliance with them. The outside caste people refused to serve Dalits. Sad duties for untouchables and nobody formed any alliance with them. Outside caste people refused to serve Dalits. Students, what we learned today? On being discriminated against. Discuss about lower caste people and upper caste people. Dr. Bhimrao Sir Ambedkar. Next point would be discuss striving for equality. Okay?